Hello everyone. In this chapter Heat, today we are going to learn how anomalous behavior of water helps aquatic animals and plants to survive in cold region, and why the pipes for water supply break and even rocks crack in cold region. Anomalous behavior of water plays an important role in survival of aquatic animals and plants in cold countries. During winter season, as the temperature of water decreases, water at the surface of river, sea and lakes starts contracting. As the temperature drops till 4 degrees Celsius behaves normally, that is, its volume decreases and density increases. Hence, it sinks to the bottom. This process continues until the temperature of all water falls to 4 degrees Celsius. As the water at surface cools below 4 degrees Celsius, it expands instead of contracting, and thus its density decreases. As a result, it becomes lighter than the rest of the water and remains on the surface of lake. The temperature of this water goes on decreasing to 0 degrees Celsius and finally it converts into ice. As the ice is bad conductor of heat, water below the surface still remains 4 degrees Celsius. As a result, fish and other aquatic animals remains alive in this water. In cold region, the temperature of atmosphere falls below 0 degrees Celsius. When temperature of water falls below 4 degrees Celsius, due to anomalous behavior of water, it expands. Hence, the water in the pipes of water supply and water in the crevices of the rocks expand. Even if ice is formed, there is an increase in its volume. Since there is no room for expansion, water exerts tremendous pressure on the pipes and rocks. Hence, the pipes of water supply break and even rocks crack.